Hi friends, in this video we are going to create a unique website for your business and service landing. So if you have decided to create a wonderful website, WordPress is going to be your first choice. And at this channel WP Themes, you have around 1000 WordPress resources to choose with. In this video we are targeting a landing page website. In fact, it is going to be a complete website for specialized services, and we are going to overview a theme called SaasPlate. And this theme, why I have chosen this theme comes with 10 full-fledged complete demo website for specialized services. I'll show you the services area. Using this SaasPlate WordPress theme, you can create a complete website for time tracker software, email marketing, support desk, cloud drive, AI copywriting tools, invoice maker services, project management services, virtual meeting, VPN software, payment gateway solution, hosting landing page, and app landing page. So these are the demo website that is available with this theme. And this is going to be a very unique website. You have this, if you actually want to create a unique one, this is going to be a first choice. But yes, before deciding or selecting this theme or any other theme, you have to understand the complete functionality and features. So this is the purpose of video. We are going to overview this complete theme, what is available inside, and so that we can take a wide decision about the selecting this theme. We are going to create a demo website, of course, in this video, and installation is going to be super easy. I'll show you simple steps but important step through which you can actually make your website. So first of all, let us something I have to share, and I can show you something more about this SaasPlate landing page WordPress theme. This theme has been developed by TechnoOne's theme. So original developer of this theme being TechnoOne's, and they are elite author at Envato Market. The theme is well available for $29, just for $29, and you can simply follow the video description link to buy the theme from the Envato Market. It is important to follow the link, and once you buy the theme, you can reach us through the iCreate platform. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and you are aware about this program, where we help every WordPress website in creating, making it live, up, and even successful. So you can join the program. You are welcome to join the program. And here is the fresh installation of WordPress, which we are going to use for installing this theme, and it has been installed using the Softaculous Manager by WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and you can simply follow the on screen instructions to install the WordPress core, and you will be ready with this WordPress core simply. So for getting this cPanel based hosting, you can again follow the link of WP Themes website, and you can choose your suitable hosting plan. All the hosting plan that has been indicated on the WP Themes website hosting tab is full of optimization, and that all those hosting solutions come with dedicated WordPress support and all, so you can explore the plans. The theme SaasPlate came into existence in 2020 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. So you can easily launch your startup website with pre-built landing pages. So it is very important, and I can show you one website, any of these website. Let us assume, so this one, that is really very good. So it is for virtual meeting. So you can see the inner pages has been crafted very aesthetically to show your content in a very professional manner. So this is why I have selected this theme to be on this channel. Let us begin the installation without any further delay. We can discuss rest of the things during the video, and don't skip any part of the video. You never know what can be important for your website. Okay, so this is fresh installation of WordPress, and I'll show you the theme pack as well that you'll get when you buy the theme, this is the theme pack. In the theme pack I have plugins, 2 plugins, SaasPlate Core and ACA Pro, Advanced Custom Field Pro is here. The upload file, this is the installable file, it is the theme file actually, and help me file and licensing part is also here. So we are simply going to upload this theme using this, going to use this file for uploading. So uploading is always simple, as in WordPress you can use this appearance interface and further click on themes, click on add new and upload theme. You have to choose the file that I shown you, and you can also simply follow the file manager option since we are having all the options. So I am going to upload the file, that is 3, upload the installable file directly to WP content themes folder. It is going to be more easy for me and even for you of course. So this is SaasPlate and upload folder. This is the SaasPlate.zip file that we need to upload. Only upload this file, don't try to upload the complete folder, it is going to be a mistake. So once uploaded with 100%, we can simply go back and extract the uploaded file. Very simple process, but yes, you have to follow all these steps for making your website. Delete this zip one to save hosting space. Come back to the themes screen. Now we have SaasPlate as another theme option. We can check the details. This is SaasPlate version 1.2.6. as on date, this is being the latest version. When you will order the theme, you might be getting an updated version of the theme, but the installation process will remain almost same. Okay, so now we have uploaded the theme, activated the theme. Now we need to activate the theme, and once we activate the theme, we are here at the setup wizard page, and it is very simple to install and follow the procedure of installation with this SaasPlate theme. So I always prefer only those themes or plugins to be used at website which is very easy to use. It is important we are choosing only those WordPress resources that is going to be super easy and super efficient and helpful for your website. So our parameter is to choose themes very wisely, and in the same way you have to compare the themes available on this channel. As I said, you have 1000 plus resources, and you can also even get in touch with us through this Mentor Connect, schedule a chat. If you are planning a website, you can discuss our WordPress mentor, which theme can be suitable, what can be the best option for your website project. So it is really very helpful platform. You can join this. So okay, so we are here at the setup wizard, and we can simply start the wizard for completing the installation. Once we click the start, we are here at the child theme. We can skip installing the child theme if required. If you are in plan to change the code level, you can install the child theme as well. I am skipping this. So plugins, all plugins are readily available for installation. So I can show you very simply. This theme uses Elementor as page builder, that is very fine. Contact Form 7 as always required. Instagram feed is here. SaasPlate Core, that is also available in the theme pack. This theme also supports the WooCommerce, the e-commerce activity, and the custom field pro is also here. So all themes, all plugins are available for installation. We can simply click on install. All has been selected already, and we can simply click on install to install all these plugins. It is hardly going to take a minute. Okay, so Instagram feed is failed, not a worry. So we can try it another way. However, it is not so important, I believe. And the rest of the plugins are fine and all have been installed. So we can proceed further. Instagram feed we can check. Okay, so the demo content importer. So as I said, it is very simple. So you can choose any of these pre-made website as I shown in the beginning of this video. Whatever you want to make, whatever the target segment of your website, you can select or any of these available pre-made website. I am choosing the very first one, considering it the default one, and we can simply select our desired layout and also select what actually we want to import, and simply click on import. And this wizard is simply going to install all the content in very less time. I mean, it is hardly going to take 4 or 5 minutes. You have to wait on this screen very patiently, and once it gets complete, we will be directed to the new website. And just after around 3 minutes, I got this wonderful and cool message. It is simply saying all done, have fun. And we can go to dashboard, we can go to our new website. So I'm returning to the dashboard, and I'm eager to refresh the page to check our new website. Okay, so it is pretty cool, and I got this wonderful website. Here is our new website with all set up. Okay, so we just need to add a menu here. Rest of things are fine, and I can simply conclude the installation remained very successful and smooth. So what we just need to do, just assign a menu. We can simply do this in the appearance menu. You can check whether the menu is available. Yes, menu is here. So we just need to assign the menu. Main menu, we can select the main menu. Account menu, okay, it is not available, not a problem. And further refreshing the page. Wonderful. So we have all these things, and it is going to developer site. So this is our complete website. I'll quickly show you the pages, how many pages we have received. Basically it is a landing page website, so I believe we might have received with, okay, so about us page is here, so we can simply check the inner pages as well. FAQ I'll show you, and the so very limited pages because it is being a landing page website. So contact is also here, so I can simply show you all these pages. This is about us page. It is complete, and we just need to upload our content, and so image is loading, I believe, and I can check the FAQs. It is fine. Contact us, it is also very good. So it is complete, no worries. And now I'm going to show you, since we have completed our installation, I'm going to show you quickly what is available. So as I said, this theme uses Elementor, and Elementor is a very easy to use page builder for editing your content. So I'll show you what additional options we got in this installation. First of all, I'll only show you the new options, I mean in addition to default WordPress things. So I can check one pending plugin, so we can try again for install CFP. So it is, we can custom build pro external sources. I believe it will not work, but since it is okay, activated successfully, that is fine. And I'm installing rest of the plugins that I got in this select. Okay, fine. So we have installed all the plugins as well, that remained somehow incomplete during our installation process. That is fine. So we have installed all the plugins. You can see all worked very fine, everything is fine. So now I'm going to show you the screens. SaasPlate, this is welcome screen of SaasPlate, and it is simply showing the server status and rest of information. It is also important. Theme options we have, so I'll show you the theme options. This is actually theme panel. Site colors, we have body colors control, primary color, secondary, and input field colors. Page builder styles, so we can completely change the colors of page builder style. Global options, so global container width, Elementor container width, and we are talking about the global style. So okay, so this is global style and the global color, and the global typography is here. Further we can control our header, so logo is to be uploaded from this screen. Logo, Retina logo, and favicon. Logo width can be decided. Header blocks, header sticky, notification bar, header style, breadcrumb, and the loader. So I'm just showing the screens. I'm not going to do and make any changes. Okay, so footer blocks, select global footer, we can select a footer, back to top, and button and the colors. Footer copyright, footer styles, blog settings, WooCommerce setting. Dark mode is also available. Night mode or dark mode you can enable without any additional plugin. White label, you can change the logo and you can make this theme for you. I mean white label this theme. So login box, and you can decide the login box text color. So by default the WP admin shows the WP login screen, so you can change that screen. This is why it is available here. And some extras like custom typography, maintenance mode, so you can even enable the maintenance mode just in case if you need to do so. So it is all available in the theme itself, and you can carefully check all these information and set all the parameters. Next I can see teams. So team members is to be handled from here. I'll show you the team screen. This is one of the screen for the team member. Just in case if you are not using any of these page, you have to delete all these page. Pricing tables is available inside, and you can check the pricing table. Okay, so it is integrated internally. Case studies is here, so not being used but it is available. Next I can see the only the ACF, so advanced custom feeds, basic settings, so it is here. Instagram feed you can configure here. So it is very simple. As I said, we are targeting a very simple to use theme for our landing page website, for our business landing website, and we can simply create a website like any of these. So we have 10 options and we simply created this website with all set of options. Finally, I'm going to show you how you can edit the content. Since the page builder is Elementor, it is going to be super easy. Simply open the page that you want to edit that, and it is going to be available for edit. Simply cross this and you will be able to edit the content simply clicking on the area. Just keep in mind you have to use the same length of text, same dimension of image that has been used in the demo content. The rest will be fine. Just in case if you are not confident how you can do this, you can make a duplicate of page, at least for home page, using any duplicator plugin. So all plugins are available free, at least for duplicating. Okay, that is fine. So I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the installation process of the SaasPlate WordPress theme, and you understand what is available inside the theme and how you can control your website. And you are going to choose this theme. You can simply follow the video description link and buy the theme here at the Invato Market. It is important to follow the link. And if you are new to this channel, you may please subscribe this channel. If you are anyhow connected to WordPress website, this channel is really going to bring important resources for you. Okay, so in the next video I'm coming with some typical things, I mean the basic things that, and those things are generally ignored at WordPress website. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.